asking to buy Robux. Mom, can I have Robux? What is Robux? Tell your sibling. Fine, that's bad. Sibling! Who is calling me? You calling my name when you are shouting? Take off your coat! I don't like your coat! What is the reason why you throw me? You don't like my coat? I asked Mom to buy Robux, but she don't know. Get me some Robux. Ask Dad to buy Robux. I don't know how to get Robux. It's credit card. Aunt, give me some Robux. No, I can't. You're grounded forever. Bro, they don't know how to get Robux. I'm just gonna play Chinese girl. Ah, one hand's got to hurt. I think the Robux forever.